Hi, do you want to convert your everyday videos into stunning animations? Then Domo AI is the perfect tool for you. It's one of the best tools for restyling your videos because it keeps the character consistent and perfectly map every aspect so you don't lose any details. In this video, I'll provide you with a step-by-step guide to using Domo AI for absolute beginners. We'll also discuss the various features Domo AI offers, different styles, available settings, the pricing model, and everything else you need to know. So without wasting our time, let's dig into the business. To get started, head to the following website. You can also click on the card in the top right hand corner, or you could find the link down below in the description. This is the Domo AI official website. However, Domo AI is only accessible through Discord. For now, they don't have a web setup yet. You'll find the link to their Discord on the website. Click on it and you'll be redirected to their server. If you don't have an account, you'll be asked to enter your name. And if you already have an account, simply accept the invite to enter the server and skip to the next part. If you are creating a new account, enter your email and password, then click on claim account. A verification code will be sent to your email. Go to your email, click on verify email, and you will be redirecting to Discord. Here you will need to answer 4 easy survey questions and click on finish to enter the Discord. Once you are in the Discord server, you will see different channels on your left panel, and but each one is about us channel. To learn more about Domo AI, currently they have 4 main features. The first command is /video, which is used to restyle videos, and this is the one will focus on this video. However, there are other cool features available like /gen, which is similar to Midjourney and can create images from text. The third one is /animate, which can convert an image to a video. Also, there are many AI tools available for this. Having all these features in one place make it very convenient. The last feature is animator, a novel model that can convert any anime character into an actual character, which is quite fun. Try converting your favorite anime character and see how it looks in real life. You can play around with these features, but in this video, we'll focus on restyling video. To use it, I click on generate video to channel. These are public channels, so you can see what other people are generating and others can see what you are generating. To start generating a video, slide in the message bar. Now type /video in the message bar and select the command. Upload the video from here you want to restyle and enter a prompt to describe that video. For example, if you are uploading a TikToker, simply put girl dancing and hit enter from your keyboard. And now click accept the terms of service, and then you'll see the settings. The first option is selecting a style. Domo AI offers a variety of models to choose from, each providing a unique style. In this video, I'll be using the default flat color anime style, but there are other great models like 3D cartoon, comic, 3D model, pixel style, storybook style, GTA, paper art, and vinyl. Each of them is amazing and I encourage you to try them out. However, most people tend to use the default options because the generated videos with this one look more like the actual video. The second option allows you to choose whether to refer to the original video more or the prompt more. While generating, if you just want to change the style and have entered a simple prompt, select the first option. However, if you want to add other elements or change specific aspect of the video, mention that in the prompt and then select the refer to my prompt more option. The last option is selecting the length of the video. I recommend starting with 3-second option for your first generation. Once you are happy with the result, you can try 5-second and 10-second and 20-second. Once you made your selection, click on start button from here. Wait for the process to complete. Since others might also be generating, your post will be highlighted in a different color. Once the video is generated, you can preview it right there. To download the video, click on the download icon. If you don't like the video, you can try regenerating or adding more details to your prompt to better guide the model. If you are satisfied with the result, you can download it. Let's watch before and after results. Now let's address the big question: is Domo AI free to use. On their subscription page, they mention providing a free plan with the 45 credit for one-time use, which is quite limited. With the free plan, you can only generate a 9-second video and it will have a watermark. If you intend to use it more frequently for your TikTok or clients, I would recommend subscribing to their basic plan, which costs $9.99 per month. To subscribe, go to any of these generate channel, type /subscribe and select the subscribe option, then hit enter. You'll see a message asking you to select the package you prefer and you'll be redirecting to the payment page. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you learned something new, please like this video, share your thoughts and results in the comments and share it with your friends to support the channel.